Blippi!
Oh, hey! It's me, Blippi!
I'm just searching for things to
put in my secret float kit. Alright, I already have a lot of toys in here. Then we need to put some more things. So then we put it in a giant tank and see what floats. Hey, a water bottle. Okay. Oh. Ooh. A flamingo teacup. Whoa. What else is around here? Whoa. Check it out. Yeah. Tools. I love building things. Especially with screwdrivers. And wrenches. Whoa. Down here, another thing we can see if it sinks or floats. Yeah. Toothbrush. I love brushing my teeth. Yeah. Get them nice and clean. Whoa. Hey, some flowers. Oh, they smell so good. All right. Okay, let's take them over here. Whoa. Look at this. We can roll these things in this giant pool. And then we'll see if they sink or float. All right. Let's start with the flowers. You think they'll sink or float? Yeah! They float! Alright, here's the water bottle. Whoa! It floats! I bet you know what these are gonna do. Yeah, the tools, the screwdriver, and the pliers. Yep. They went all the way down to the bottom. That means they sink. Let's see. Let's take some of these toys. Oh, little turtle. Whee! Oh, that one sinks well. Bye-bye. Whoa! Look at all these other things. All right. Let's put this cool toy in there. Woohoo! Yeah! It floats. Whoa, check it out. A soccer ball. Some countries call it football. Ready? Whoa! It floats as well. Yep. Barbecue tools. BBQ. Here we go. Where'd they go? Oh, they went all the way down to the bottom. That means they sink. Hey, look. Some apples. Check where they go. Oh, they went all the way down to the bottom. That means they sink. Where'd they go? Oh, they went all the way down to the bottom. That means they sink. Hey, look. Some apples. Check this out. Whee! Whoa! I wonder if these apples will sink or float. Woohoo! Hey! All three of them float. I love reading, especially newspapers. They're so exciting. That's what my grandparents would say. All right, here we go. Hey! Look! Those newspapers float! Hey! Someone had to write all those words on the newspaper. And they might have started with pencil. On paper. Yeah. And look at this. It's a pencil. Here we go. Hey! It floats! That giant pencil floats. Ooh. Do you know what this is? It shields me from the rain. Keeps me nice and dry. It's an umbrella. Woo! Here we go. Hey, that floats too. Soap dispenser. I love washing my hands. Do you? All right. Here we go. Where'd it go? Went down to the bottom. That must mean it sinks. Whoa! Have you
Have you ever used one of these things before? This is a cooler. Yeah. Typically put a lot of ice and drinks in here.
But for now, it's really
empty.
So that must mean
it's probably really buoyant and not very dense.
So I bet you
know if this will sink or float. Look at it! It floats! Yeah! So that means it's less buoyant than water. Alright. Here we go! Here goes some watermelon! 3, 2, 1! Oh! It broke apart! Oh no! But it floats. Oh, that's so silly. Oh. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Hey, take this, scoop some of that out. Yeah. Look at that. Some watermelon chunks. Oh, that looks yummy. Put it right over here. Hey, wait a second. Did you see me use this pool skimmer? Yeah. This is what you use to scoop things out of the water. Yeah, like these apples over here. Yeah, remember those from earlier? Let's put those aside. Hey, I wonder if this floats or sinks. It's pretty light. I think it's hollow inside. Let's see.
Who's ready to hatch some cool pets? Click here to make your...
Yep, it definitely floats. There's a lot of other cool things around here. So let's see. Whoa! That is heavy. This is a bag full of sand. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. Here we go! I bet this is gonna sink. Whoa! That made a big splash. Wow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more things. Let's throw them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All five of these things looks like they float. There's not much else. Wait a second. I have an idea. I wonder if I can sink or float. I'm so excited. Let's find out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Stop right there. Hey, remember you should never jump into a pool unless a grown-up is with you. All right, here we go. I guess I float. That's so silly. Well, that was so much fun learning about buoyancy with you and density to see what sinks and what floats. All right. I guess I'll go for a swim. See you later. Time for an adventure. What games are we playing today? Let's splash in the water. We can play together all day. Let's go grab our toys with one single boat. Maybe jump on my ski jet, cruising along. Here we go. Now everybody sing along. Splish, splash in the water, playing all together. It's time for a splash, splish, splash in the water, playing all together. It's time for a splash, splish, splash in the water, playing all together. It's time for a splash, splish, splash in the water, playing all together. It's time for a splash.
What things are we gonna see?